Well, hi folks, I'm going to make a few mushrooms today, toadstools, whatever you want to call them. So they're just going to look like that, and then I'm going to decorate them with some colour and put some dots on with some porcelain slips. So I'll show you how we make some of these. Using quite a small ball of clay, so it's only about 12 ounces. What I want to do with these is to, because I'm not actually going to throw anything, if you will, I just want to make it into a dead tall column to start off with, as thin as I can get it, within reason. As it will drop down once I start to open the top up. So I'm just going to go in, just open the top up, then I go in again to get a bit more width, like so. And because I want a bit more height on the stalk, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to squeeze in from the bottom, which will lift it up. I will turn it a lot narrower tomorrow when it's a bit drier. And finally just finish off the shape of the top, just any shape, doesn't matter whatever it takes your fancy really. Just roll that one over a little bit. So that's that. Like I said, the stalk's a bit thick, but it'll be turned down tomorrow. I can't throw it any thinner with wet clay because it'll be too unstable. So it's no problem just trimming it down tomorrow so it's nice and narrow. And tomorrow what I'll do, I'll show you how we put the colour on and turn it, and then finally put the little dots on, which is a lot easier than just painting them on individually. I'll show you that tomorrow. Just going to squeeze it in, get it as tall as I can. And go in again, with a little bit more width, stretching it out. Just going to squeeze it just to get a little bit more height, and then just finish off the shape now and roll that one down a little bit more. So that's another one, like I said, a little bit thick in the stalk, but it'll be fixed tomorrow. So I'll just do one more and then I'll show you what we do tomorrow. Ideally you want quite soft clay for this, because otherwise it's a bit difficult to make a tall stem when it's quite hard, so quite soft's the way to go really. Leave this one just as a dead flat one, just slightly over at the end. So that's them thrown, now onto the decorating. Well, hi folks, I'm going to trim these and decorate these mushrooms now. Sort of dried out nicely from yesterday. So before I trim it, I'm just going to put the colour on, which is this deep red colour. And I'm just going to try and make these stalks a little bit thinner, sorry. Just going to turn those a bit narrower. Like so. Mark on, because it's near the rain pouring down. So what I'm going to do now, just got some porcelain slip and a little brush, put the dots on. If you want bigger dots, load your brush up more, and I'm just going to tap it on like that, totally randomly, and then when you get the sort of pattern you think's about right, just stop. So I think that's about right. I'll do another one with some smaller dots on, some smaller little spots. It's a bit off-centred, that one. So, oh, this rain's coming down now. Here's this one. Again, I'm just going to put some colour on. Give it a chance to dry before I put the little dots on. And just turn the little stalk a bit thinner. Like I said, if you load your brush up a bit less, you get less stuff, so then you can kit it a lot harder and you just get little tiny dots like that. I've lost my cutting off tool, now it's here. So there we go, that's two different sort, bigger spots, little spots, and a few little mushrooms.